Okay guys, we're back in the shop and we're getting ready to work again on the Civic. And I got an idea I saw on YouTube. So what I want to do is just get the Civic up a little taller. So what we're going to do though is we're going to build 2x4 cribs that go on top of it. Again, a lot of people just put the cribs down, but I still want to be able to roll it around and move it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take some 2x4s and we're going to build a crib right on top of here. So the tire sits in this way. So all I'm going to do is build a 2x4 crib and then all the way up. And then we'll get some extra height that we're looking for. So I got a bunch of 2x4s. And the plan is just to make 4 identical ones. So we're going to start with a piece running this way. And what I'll do is take a spade bit to kind of countersink this. So we're just going to get it measured out and then get it cut. And I want as much surface area here. So 15 and a quarter. So I'm going to start by just cutting 2 pieces at 15 and a quarter. So what I'm going to do is just kind of figure out where it needs to be. Then we're just going to hammer it down so that I know where to do the spade bit. Okay. 5 inches. In theory, this should work. So now the next level, we'll just do the opposite. So let's just do that first and see where that gets us. So 12. Now here, so 15 and a quarter. So we're probably going to at least double this, but I'm going to just test it out. So here we go. There. Okay, this is going to be great. So look at that. That gives me so much extra room to work under the car and work on the rockers and the rust. So yeah, I'll probably go double that if I can. So, okay, we're going to keep going up with it. Okay, I got these 2 done. So what we're going to do is lift the front now and swap them out so we can build these ones up higher. There. Wow, still feels solid, so that's great. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're on. Really happy with that extra space. That'll be so handy. Okay, there we go. All done. Look at that. We got a lot of height. And honestly, it's just gonna make everything easier in terms of getting access to the car, the rockers, underneath. How does it even look under here? Yeah, like this. This is gonna be interesting. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a creeper so that I can easily get under the car. And what I'll do next is I'm gonna start stripping out the wiring harness and the dash. So we'll pull the dash, pull all the wiring. And then what we'll do is we'll probably weld up a brace on each side here before we cut out the floor, because we're going to cut out a huge part of this floor. I'll probably remake these pieces. All this has to get cut out. So here's an easy kind of project that you can do to kind of, you know, if you don't have a lift, you want a little bit of height. Could probably safely go up another 2x4s. It's kind of the perfect height right now for me to still get in here. Thanks for watching and follow along on this process. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna be a long process, but it'll be fun.